Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make rice water for massive hair growth. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. The things you need are the rice, a bowl, a jar to put the rice in, and a spray bottle to obviously put the rice water in. Then you put clean water to wash the rice. To remove all the dirt. You can wash the rice twice to remove all the dirt. After you're done with washing the rice, put it in the jar. Then fill the jar with clean water. And leave it for 24 hours. Guys, now it's 24 hours later and now I'm ready to use it. So you open your spray bottle and you put your rice water there.